हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू वेदीफाई। मैं हूं आपकी दोस्त और होस्ट पहेली। डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस बेल आइकन टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड गेट एवरी चैप्टर, एवरी एक्टिविटी ऑन द सेम चैनल वेदीफाई। सो विदाउट एनी वेट, लेट्स स्टार्ट आज का चैप्टर।
Now take 5 ml of water in an open china dish and keep it near a window or under a fan. Now again take 5 ml of water in an open china dish and keep it inside a cupboard or on a shelf in your class or room. The room temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. तो किसमें evaporation सबसे ज़्यादा आपको दिख रहा है? The evaporation rate of water in an open china dish which is kept near a window or under a fan is higher. This indicates that evaporation is a surface phenomena. If the surface area is increased, the rate of evaporation increases. That's why for drying the wet clothes, we spread them out. So what is the effect of fan speed? What is the effect of wind speed? Why it is observed that clothes dry faster on a windy day? So, with the increase in wind speed, the particles of water vapor move away with the wind, decreasing the amount of water vapor in the surrounding. So, with the increase of temperature, more number of particles get enough kinetic energy to go into the vapor state. So, with the increase of temperature, evaporation also increases. यही रीज़न है कि जब बहुत तेज़ बारिश होती है और पूरी सॉइल गीली हो जाती है, लेकिन उसके जस्ट बाद बहुत तेज़ धूप आ जाती है तो फटाफट सॉइल सूख जाती है. एंड क्लोथ्स ऑल्सो ड्राई फास्टर ऑन अ विंडी डे. What is the effect of humidity on evaporation? So, humidity is the amount of water vapor present in air. The air around us cannot hold more than a definite amount of water vapor at a given temperature. If the amount of water in air is already high, the rate of evaporation decreases. यानी जितनी ह्यूमिडिटी ज़्यादा होगी उतना इवेपोरेशन कम होगा. अगर ह्यूमिडिटी कम है तो इवेपोरेशन ज़्यादा होगा. ह्यूमिडिटी ज्यादा होने का मतलब है ऑलरेडी एयर में वाटर ज्यादा है और एयर की एक लिमिटेड कैपेसिटी है वाटर को होल्ड करने की. इवेपोरेशन कॉजेस कूलिंग, बट हाउ? द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ लिक्विड एब्सॉर्ब एनर्जी फ्रॉम द सराउंडिंग टू रीगेन द एनर्जी लॉस्ट ड्यूरिंग इवेपोरेशन. This absorption of energy from the surrounding make the surroundings cold. What happens when you pour some acetone on your palm? The particles gain energy from your palm or surroundings and evaporate, causing the palm to feel cool. After a hot sunny day, people sprinkle water on the roof or open ground because the large latent heat of vaporization of water helps to cool the hot surface. Likewise, why should we wear cotton clothes in summer? During summer, we perspire more because of the mechanism of our body which keeps us cool. We know that during evaporation, the particles at the surface of the liquid gain energy from the surroundings or body surface and change into vapor. The heat energy equal to latent heat of vaporization is absorbed from the body, leaving the body cool. Cotton, being a good absorber of water, helps in absorbing the sweat and exposing it to the atmosphere for easy evaporation. That's why we wear cotton clothes in summer. Why do we see water droplets on the outer surface of a glass containing ice cold water? Now we see the droplets of water outside the surface of tumbler. The water vapor present in air on coming in contact with the cold glass of water loses energy and gets converted to liquid state which we see as water droplets. तो जो बाहर टम्बलर पे वाटर ड्रॉप्स हैं ये ग्लास के अंदर से नहीं आई है. जो एटमॉस्फेयर में वाटर वेपर थी वो वाटर वेपर जब टम्बलर के कांटेक्ट में आती हैं तो वो ठंडी होकर वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स में चेंज हो जाती हैं. So now we are in the question segments. The mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. So density equals to mass upon volume. We have to arrange these matters according to their increasing density. The matters are air, exhaust from chimneys, honey, water, chalk, कॉटन एंड आयरन. तो जिस भी मैटर का मास ज्यादा होता है उसकी डेंसिटी ज्यादा होती है और जिसका वॉल्यूम ज्यादा होता है उसकी डेंसिटी कम होती है. यानी जिस भी मैटर की इनमें से वॉल्यूम ज्यादा है उसकी डेंसिटी होगी कम. तो सबसे ज्यादा मास किसका है? आयरन का. तो आयरन की डेंसिटी सबसे ज्यादा होगी और सबसे कम एयर का. So air की डेंसिटी सबसे कम होगी. So the order will be air, then exhaust of chimneys, then cotton, then water, then honey, then chalk, and last is iron. Next question is tabulate the differences in the characteristics of states of matter. So the states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. So the solids are the substances which have less intermolecular distances between their particles. In liquids, this intermolecular distance is more. The particles of gaseous states have no or negligible intermolecular forces between their particles. That means their particles are very far from each other. Solids are rigid. Liquids have properties of flow unlike solids. And gases are present everywhere in different forms. Next question is comment upon the following. First is rigidity. It is a property of matter to resist the change of its shape. That means solid is rigid but liquid and gas are not rigid. Compressibility. It is a property of matter in which its volume is decreased by applying force. So solids compressibility is negligible. Liquids compressibility is low but gaseous states compressibility is very high. Next is fluidity. It is the ability of matter to flow and liquids have this ability.